Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Brian Young, the Director of North American Business Development at Thinkware. Thanks for joining us, Brian.
Hi, Fred. Thank you for having me today, and hi to everyone.
Thinkware has been very innovative in the space of dash cams, and you're at it again with some new innovation with a model called the U1000. Tell us about it.
Okay, U1000 is, let's say, one of the most technically advanced model in the market, and then that is the most latest model among Thinkware dashcam as well. The U1000 cover two channels. When I say two channels, one front cover your front side, and second camera covers your back side. And then U1000 support 4K with the front main device, and then covers the rear cam with 2K, the camera resolution. It is not only supporting higher resolution of cameras, but also it supports Thinkware Cloud features with remote live streaming as long as U1000 and your mobile phone, or you connect to Wi-Fi hotspot device. Then anytime you can connect to Thinkware U1000. It also support. It also coming with we call it energy saving parking mode generation 2.0. Once you turn the parking mode on, and then if you set at energy saving parking mode, then you can enjoy, let's say, 8 times efficient an energy saving mode against Thinkware's own energy saving parking mode generation 1. And generation 1 is supporting from the Thinkware F800 Pro to QHD model Q800 Pro.
Really interesting. So what this is going to do is give you really 4K images, which I guess in many circumstances can be important in seeing detail on dashcam video.
Right. Typically, why people need to use a dashcam, because people need to prepare for a bad moment, which is the accident. And then sometimes there are bad people who are better enough to hit and run. In that case, you need to have really sharp and crisp video quality, and then 4K front and then 2K rear will cover and will provide you that kind of the video clearance.
Tell us about the installation of this. When you have the rear camera, people need to be running a wire from the back to the front of the dash cam?
Yeah, because it is still using, the rear cam of the U1000 first time in the market using 2K resolution rear cam. In order to transfer the 2K, the video file to the micro SD card inside of the main device, we have to use wire connection. So people, when they put the rear cam at the back window, and then they have to wire it and then connect to the main device.
Really not all that difficult, but you got to do it carefully, right, to be able to not have the wires all over the place.
Yeah, of course it is. The wire mainly, they follow the roof, either the left and the right hand side.
Very interesting. You also have for that parking mode, I guess, an accessory that people can use so it doesn't drain the car battery.
Oh yeah. Recently, we also introduced Thinkware external battery, and then the reason why, because some people so afraid of the battery drain, then we offer to the market that once the people install the Thinkware's own external battery, and then they can connect U1000 and then any other of Thinkware dashcam products to the external battery. Then our device only consume the electricity out of external battery. Then once the battery, the battery capacity is almost done, then device will be automatically power off.
Well, tell me about the market for dash cams today. Are you seeing growth in the United States?
I definitely see that United States is growing, but not really fast enough, I say. But through the exhibitions and then through the meeting that I have with partners, and then the feedback that we receive from our direct market, like online, And the awareness of dashcam is really growing among the citizens of United States.
And you have, in addition to this new 4K dash cam, you've got a full lineup of others on the market as well at different price ranges. Tell us a little bit about the newest models.
Beside of U1000, this year May we launched QHD model, which we call Q800 Pro. So U1000 retail price with the just the main device itself, we're selling at $399.99, and then once the rear camera is attached, then we have a 2-channel package. Then that is $499.99. And beside that, one of our newest model, Q800 Pro, 1 channel we're selling at $299.99, which is $100 gap from the U1000, and then 2 channel we're selling at $399.99, which is the $100 gap as well.
And you do have some lower end models as well, if people are interested, that they can find on your website. So this is available. The U series is available now. The U1000.
Yeah, U1000 we start to sell this year October, so people can find it from Thinkware.com and then the Amazon.com, and then even from the bestbuy.com, the online site as well. And they were selling through the U1000 over the nationwide 12-volt individual the install channels as well.
And because it's taking higher resolution video, I guess it's important for people to use a higher capacity memory card?
People who want to record with the continuous, because we have a different folder system, continuous the recording folder and the manual recording folder, and then the parking event, and then continuous event folder. So people who want to record for a long period of time inside of continuous recording folder, then they need to have a really big capacity of micro SD card. But I think we'll provide 32 gig micro SD card as a basic micro SD card inside of the gift box. But people who just need to, let's say, record some important scene, they can use a manual recording folder. And then because nobody wants to plan for an accident, right? So in that case, people who just need to record the important scene, and 32 gig will be enough.
Terrific. For more information, the best place to go is us.thinkware, W-A-R-E, thinkware.com. Brian Young, thank you for taking the time with us.
Thank you once again, thank you for having me today.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.